This is the mighty Jordan River flowing down to the lake. Unfortunately, we can't get too close right here. We're just north of Beit Saida, and you can see the water is gushing down from all that rain we had in January and February and a couple of days ago. Very nice to see. It doesn't happen around here too often. This water is going to help replenish the lake, and tomorrow morning I'll go into the Israel Meteorological Site and see how much the lake has gone up in the last couple of days. I'm expecting more or less 10 centimeters, 3 to 4 inches, which is very good. That's a lot of water for us.